I've known this banjo tuning since I was 19. I learned it from Sherman Hammonds. He was born in 1894-5 in the high country in West Virginia, a white sheep farmer in the high plateau country, about 70 miles west of Stanton, Virginia, in the edge of West Virginia. And Sherman always put the banjo in this tuning to play this one song. It's the only song I ever heard him playing it. I don't know anybody else has ever used a tuning like this on the banjo. And it's fairly strange. And when this little gourd banjo came in the house about 6 years ago, I threw it up into this tuning thinking it would like this tuning, which it does. And you know, what an instrument likes comes into play a lot with me. But so I went to the piano to figure out what those notes were, because I knew how to get to the tuning, how to get out of it, but I never kind of sat down and figured out, so what are those notes? And it turns out they're 4 of the 5 notes of the minor pentatonic scale, in which all the old spirituals are sung. Most blues melodies are played and sung. It's an African melody, a scale out of West Africa, harmonized with European chords. It's this amazing hybrid. And those 5 notes are... You only have to put down one finger to get the whole African scale. 4 of the notes are on open strings. This tuning was made to make playing African melodies easy. This is an African banjo tuning. And how it wound up in Sherman's hands in the high country in West Virginia, I could only speculate. We'd have to just only guess. But there it was, and to make the point, I'll sing you one more tune with this. It's for now anyway, it's one of the oldest songs I know of. Can't put a date on it. It's ancient spiritual. Keep your lamp trimmed and burn in your lamp, trimmed and burn in your lamp. See what the Lord has done. Keep your lamp trimmed and burn in your lamp. See what the Lord has done. Sister, don't get worried, you don't get worried, you don't. See what the Lord has done. Keep your lamp trimmed and burn in your lamp. See what the Lord has done. Ain't gonna tell nobody, gonna tell nobody, gonna tell what the Lord has done for me. Keep your lamp trimmed and burn in your lamp. See what the Lord has done. Keep your lamp trimmed and burn in your lamp. See what the Lord has done. Keep your lamp trimmed